If you're experiencing a vacuum leak, you might want to take a look at this Evap valve. I had a very slow leak. This is the valve that was on the car. Had some rough idle issues, but there was no check engine light or codes. Here's a quick check of the new Evap valve, and as you can see, it's holding perfectly. It's also really important to have a look at your connectors and your hoses to your Evap system. I used a rubber stopper and made a hole in the backside and just stuck it on there. So here's the old unit, and here's the part number that I use. This is used on a lot of Fords. This was from a 2009.